A day in the life of an affiliate marketer. Being in the affiliate marketing business is not that hard now with the internet at your disposal. It is much easier now compared to the days when people have to make use of the telephones and other mediums of information just to get the latest updates on the way their program is coming along. So with technology at hand, and assuming that the affiliate is working from home, a day in his or her life would sound something like this. Upon waking up and after having breakfast, the computer is turned on to check out new developments in the network. As far as the marketer is concerned, there might be new things to update and statistics to keep track on. The site design has to be revised. The marketer knows that a well-designed site can increase sign-ups from visitors. It can also help in the affiliate's conversion rates. That done, it is time to submit the affiliate program to directories that lists affiliate programs. These directories are means to attract people in joining your affiliate program. A sure way of promoting the affiliate program. Time to track down the sales you are getting from your affiliates fairly and accurately. There are phone orders and mails to track down. See if they are new clients checking the products out. Noting down the contact information, that might be a viable source in the future. There are lots of resources to sort out. Ads, banners, button ads and sample recommendations to give out, because the marketer knows that this is one way of ensuring more sales. Best to stay visible and accessible too. The affiliate marketer remembered that there are questions to answer from the visitors. This has to be done quickly. Nothing can turn off the customer than an unanswered email. To prove that the affiliate is working effectively and efficiently, inquiries would have to be paid more attention on. Nobody wants to be ignored, and customers are not always the most patient of all people. Quick answer that should appear professional yet friendly too. In the process of doing all the necessities, the marketer is logged onto a chat room where he or she interacts with other affiliates and those under that same program. This is where they can discuss things on how to best promote their products. There are things to be learned, and it is a continuous process. Sharing tips and advices is a good way of showing support. There may be others out there wanting to join and may be enticed by the discussion that is going on. There is no harm in assuming what opportunities ahead. The newsletters and e-zines were updated days ago, so it is time for the affiliate marketer to see if there are some new things happening in the market. This will be written about in the Marketer's publication to be distributed to the old and new customers. These same publications are also an important tool in keeping up to date with the newly introduced products. The marketer has put up a sale and promotion that customers may want to know about. Besides, they have to keep up with the deadline of these sales written in the publications. It is that time to show some appreciation to those who have helped the marketer in the promotions and sale increase. Nothing like mentioning the persons, their sites and the process they have done that made everything worked. Of course, this will be published in the newsletters. Among the more important information that have been written already, the marketer still has time to write out recommendations to those who want credible sources for the products being promoted. There is also time to post some comments on how to be a successful affiliate marketer on a site where there are lots of wannabes. Two objectives done at the same time. The marketer gets to promote the product as well as the program they are in. Who knows, someone may be inclined to join. Time flies. Missed lunch but is quite contented with the tasks done. Bed Timio. Okay, so this may not be all done in a day. But then, this gives you an idea of how an affiliate marketer, a dedicated one that is, spends the marketing day. Is that success looming in the distance, or what?